today we're going to be looking at algebraic expressions or algebraic equations, in our lesson number 8. So by the end of this lesson, you should be able to show, number one, you should be able to show or to solve equations using additive and multiplicative inverses. Right, this is all revision of grade 8. Now let's move on. Let's do an example. Right, let's say you are given example number 1 where they say solve for x, where you are given 6 minus 4x plus negative 10. So we subtract 6 from both sides, we remain with 4x minus 16, divide both sides by negative 4, you get your x is equals to 4. Remember, to check your answer, you substitute the value into the original equation, which will be 6 minus 4, open bracket, multiply by 4, there is equals to negative 10. You punch that into a calculator, you'll see that your left hand side is equals to your right hand side, which means your answer is correct. So the left hand side has to be equals to the right hand side to check your answer. Moving on, example number 2, you are given, so for x again, you are given 16 is equals to 2, 3x minus 2. You add 2 to both sides, you remain with 18 is equals to 3x. You divide both sides by 3. Your x will be equals to 6. You check your solution, your answer, you substitute the original equation, punch in a calculator, you see that your left hand side is equals to your right hand side, meaning that your answer is correct. So if your left hand side is not equals to your right hand side, then your answer will be wrong. Moving on, example number 3. Right, you are given again, solve for x. Given 3x minus 4 is equals to 16 minus 2x. 3x, what do? We add 2x to both sides right there. And then we simplify. It's going to be 5x minus 4 is equals to 16. Then we add 4 to both sides. It's going to be 5x is equals to 20. Divide by 5 both sides. Your x is equals to 4. Again, you check your answer, substituting it to the original equation. Remember, left hand side has to be equals to the right hand side. You substitute for x, then you punch into a calculator. You see that your left hand side is equals to your right hand side. Do you see that? I hope you are following. Please make sure you are following. So that is the solution. Moving on to example number 4. Example number 4, again, you are given solve for x, right, where you are given 5x plus 6 is equals to 8x minus 9. So you want to eliminate x from the right hand side. You subtract 8x from both sides. You simplify, and then you subtract 6 from both sides. You remain with 3 minus 3x is equals to minus 15. Divide both sides by negative 15. Your x will be equals to 5. You check your solution. So you are going to substitute where there is x, you put 5. Then you punch into a calculator, right? And then you see that your left hand side is equals to your right hand side, meaning your answer is correct. I hope you are getting the hang of it now. And this was an easy one. Remember, it's all revision of grade 8. So now, your turn. It's your turn, guys. Let's turn to exercise 1. Exercise 1, right, which is on page... Exercise 1, which is on page 112. Right, it's on page 112. Answer these questions. So remember, this is page 112 of your textbooks. You answer question A, number 13 to 24, question B, number 1 to 3, question C, 16 to 18. Okay, guys, let's get busy with our lesson. Right.